J.K. Kazora.
Mr. President, I hope all is well and I come in peace.
J.K. Kazora.
But I just want to say we are tired, man. And you know what really pisses me off is the fact that
J.K. Kazora.
Mr. President, I'm telling you this. Please, if you think I'm kidding, you come to my house tomorrow, my Merito Road, JK Close. Let's leave at 6 together and you'll see what time we'll get to town.
Meron ni ka kilok pa traffic jam. Ko ni ka ini bi winyo lokanin, ko nen kong video man pa J.K. Kazora. J.K. Kazora tie a producer, a TV host, NBS. Ma dana ma tiyo ma tekto tran. Uber ka kilulok, makwa ko lokum traffic jam i Kampala. Ma wajo ni ikinini, yo mugo macheli kira kika bir mo kene. Yon ratiga TGA and yone traffic jam do attack to trial. But a complaint and trial a direct message but President Museveni kagota kun wajini President ko gam loke pien what ko beru do attack to trial Kampala. Kamenoni iramu a kigangi chawa para rio maping biono karu oi gang tichi wa chawa ngwan. Neter 4 hours. Yo bano pie o gang. Mapie oi gang teach. Ikwan la tiene ter gang kwan ini kwang chair gang teach 34 hours.
Mr. President, I hope all is well and I come in peace. But I just want to say we are tired, man. And you know what really pisses me off is the fact that I can see my neighbors in traffic for all these hours and everybody is comfortable. They can't even stop and say, but this is too much. You leave home, you wake up at 5 and leave at 6 a.m. and you drop off a kid in Chisas, which is like 7 kilometers from your home, and then another 10 to town. 6, 7, 8, 9. You get to town, you've left Chira at 6 a.m. and you get to town at 9. I mean, how can you have a population that is in discomfort? Even when we talk about the real estate economics and you say, the town has moved on from being monocentric to policy. People can't afford to be near CBD, like, Kololo, Naguru. Those are expensive places. We can't afford rent there. We can't afford to buy. So we move on, the polocentrics. We move on to Chira, Buate, Bulindo. We go far away. And sometimes even we can afford Naguru, but you have one bedroom, which is small. So you want to have a bigger space and all that. But we know it will come at a cost, which is traffic jam. But it can't be 4 hours. Look at our roads in Chira. They've not been fixed. They've been fixing them for how long? 2 years ago, I went to UNRWA. I said, what's going on? Why is this road being done? They said, some 77 landlords don't want to be compensated. They want more than 300 million. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Mumaronda will be, I don't know, Semuji's opposition. Now we have another roof of an MP. I just don't understand. Transport is key. You can't have a population that is in discomfort. Bosses here now, you have to clock in at 8 and then out at 5 p.m. So at lunchtime, you go to parking lots. People are sleeping because they don't have enough time. Because you're going to spend 3 hours, 4 hours in traffic getting to town. Transport was given, take you back to history. These, white people colonized us because they had horses. A horse was very important for the Ottoman Empire. A horse can cover, a horse can fight 200 men. That's why here Africans, we had lions, you can't domesticate it, it will eat you. They had horses, they had to move. Transport was key back then when they conquered the water. But here, 2026, you have to 4 hours for 17 kilometers. I mean, what's going on? What's going on, man? Can all roads be fixed? When are they going to be done? God damn it. You can't be in jam all this 4 hours. And then now we have to go back at 4:30. If you don't go back at 4:30, if you don't leave, you're going to get back at Chira at 10 p.m. That's why there are so many divorces, by the way, in Chira. Go to the Chira court now. Go to the magistrate and ask, Mr. President, about 74 people file for divorce, couples in Chira. 74 weekly, they file for divorce. And you know why? Because of traffic jam. Yeah? Last night, you can't go home. You just sit in the traffic. Let me just sit in this kaba. Kafunda, before you know it, it's 1. Madam is complaining. The next day, she's filing for divorce. Mr. President, I'm telling you this. Please, if you think I'm kidding, you come to my house tomorrow, my Merito Road, JK Close. Let's leave at 6 together, and you'll see what time we'll get to town. Even if you try to, it's impossible. Because people, you don't know jam. People around you do not know jam. They're all in we. Oh, God. Mr. President.
Donc in a direct message matika wajane ni mi president ko o kwany twer ma miyo kare mene ni ki creating yo mu ken ma diga tiji yene utumo maber da en bene ko kun miyo clarification ni lok me traffic jam we ko kenti ka cat I court mu ken ma don Kampala no ni monti ka filing cases ma poli kum choggi ma kar pier der we ber kulu chabet ke chabet piane cho du gang let la cho aki dokti chawa para chel o gang wa chawa big medi wo tiro kok kinyeng lok me traffic jam ki nga gini.
I need to appeal my country. I need to appeal my country. Ki war ma ditu tim kija
chidong aramer kilo lok eni ma chalo ko malo me Uganda nyu ma chalo piwa kenwa aneno ni la gamme yo lok pa traffic jam ti chele ken nen population padana mati Kampala do duongo utimbi achara ki joma gi creating teach pi offices ma pat gubierno e komando me Uganda.
Today I want to declare without equivocation. Sorry, please. Declare.
Bien bodwe gulu foot traffic jam pega traffic jam foot pay gulu foot in ramo bino itiu tichi iramo bini beri Uganda ngom foot laj watiki gulu malaja ta watiki gago watiki pade watiki kitgum watiki lamo watiki mor. Those are places where you can still have a space, I mean a land. You build your home manoti mabe and then kunyi matek to twal wek pebet gi koko ma pol bad wek amini wiye wil mutaka mati igulu wil mutaka mati Kampala watiki mutaka millionario tona chel mutaka mati Kampala wengti millionario tona chel pire mati i Kampala tie millionario tona boro dana mati Kampala tie million achel tonne aboro manyere mutaka duong lo dana e Kampala.
Uganda is
pire duong lo dana e Kampala donc kelo ka wajine ni kenen mutaka duong lo e Kampala lo wel dano utwal mutaka mo keno bien gulu
pigi meti ka winyo duan ke motaka me winyo duan ke ni weng megwa pe obet ke luoro
utwal mutaka mo keno bien ni ko male be Uganda ka pigi duong lo wel dana e Kampala matiwe millionaire ton na bor ki twal pigi mo keno bien gulu we are creating space lok me jam obet peke. I think that is ngom haran wache lok me jam beni lok tek pien we ko kay o lady gang tij beno raj endo me porne ki wel dano dit ikaber ma pat endo mutaka duong lo dana e Kampala ke go kon welevo ma mutaka i Kampala tiwe millionario tona chil endo dano ti millionario tona bore ken gab me millionario tona chil ni o keri millionario tona bore no dit ma perung twere Kampala dano di Kampala mutaka duong but gen ma warama timene just a word bot joma gitiwi Kampala ni kaber peti achele ken kaber peti Kampala teach peti Kampala ken obien no gulu wano luon this is just a message ni obien gulu obien meri gulu ka wono bien gulu wano mini wu kabero ci jam beru pe kadi beti ni jam put peti tek to twal gulu bat gulu bena ikar mati bien mana nok jam twer beru tie because kawana la bolle e nyim chok ma det me gulu signal le chako nen pien kai wa tiano no mutaka duong pipiki duong ki yo mo kene mano tie gulu bene sometime down pong ye matak to trial but any food jam the beberu tek mak 2 hours 3 hours at least 20 minutes ne carro so nyote wa bene signal ni mot kaber mo kene chalo gulu city Lera City, Arua City, Kikaber Mokene, Giramo Mete Bena.
You know, I have never told you something, and it has never come to pass.
This is true.
Yeah. And if you want me to tell you, I will tell you right now.
Go on. Are you switching off your phone because someone is calling you live?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Good. But to clarify, come Lok Paladita JK Kazora, Lokma traffic. Down to Jume Kampala, Mutaka Mogoma Dungi, Kichwalgo Biano Guru. Workspace bit here, Lokme Koro, taking 4 hours, me o gang, you me doc chen ka teach, king agony bit pere.
Oh, God. Mr. President.
Simple. More.